Hello and welcome to this screencast on blood vessels. So what we need to know is the different types of blood vessels we have in the body and their function, i.e. what they do. So this is your Cornell Notes. This is how we should set our Cornell Notes up in our books. Okay, so we have got key topic, blood vessels, key questions on the left hand side. You'll split your page into two. Underneath arteries, we're going to write what arteries do, their function and their structure. Underneath arterioles, we're going to write their structure, function. Same for capillaries, venules and veins. On the left hand side here, we create questions to get the answer arteries, question to get the answer arterioles, question to get the answer capillaries, and so forth. First of all, before we start, here is a picture of what it potentially looks like. We're going to start from the right hand side. So we have an artery, then from an artery we have an arteriole, then we have a capillary or capillaries, then we have a venule, and then we have a vein. So that is kind of what it looks like in diagram form. I'm going to explain to you now what the structure and function of each one of these blood vessels. Blood vessels are vessels that carry blood, okay, transport blood around the body. First of all, so arteries. What we need to get down is, first of all, their function is they carry blood away from the heart. We should know that now. Arteries carry blood away. Away. Arteries carry mostly oxygenated blood, apart from the pulmonary artery in the heart, because that carries deoxygenated blood. So the structure of arteries are, they are thick and have elastic muscular walls to carry blood at high pressure. The key terms here are thick, elastic muscular walls, and they carry blood at high pressure. They do not contain any valves. Arterioles, they are smaller versions of arteries really. So arterioles connect arteries to capillaries and have thinner walls than arteries. They are responsible for controlling blood flow to the capillary. Capillaries, okay, so capillaries connect arteries and veins together by uniting arterioles and venules. Capillaries bring blood slowly into contact with the muscle for gaseous exchange. Structure of a capillary, really important. They are one cell thick. This is so that gases can exchange, i.e. oxygen and nutrients can go into the muscle, waste product can go out of the muscle into the blood. Okay, venules, very similar to arterioles. These are small vessels that connect the capillaries to the veins. These transport deoxygenated blood away from the capillaries to the veins. Finally, a vein is the complete opposite to an artery. So this facilitates venous return, which means the blood going back to the heart, basically. So they have thin walls and blood is carried at low pressure. And veins have pocket valves to prevent the backflow of blood. So if you look at a vein there, it's completely the opposite to an artery. Arteries have thick elastic muscular walls, veins have thin walls. Arteries carry blood at high pressure, veins carry blood at low pressure. Arteries do not have valves, veins have valves. So they are the notes you must get down. What I need from you is all of this information will be on the right hand side of your Cornell Notes. On the left hand side will be your question. So for example, your question may be, which blood vessel carries blood away from the heart, has thick elastic muscular walls and carries blood at high pressure? Your answer is arteries. So forth all the way down until you've done arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules and veins. Thank you for listening.